Hi, welcome back. On this segment, Kimora and I are going to talk to you about the importance of cleaning your smoke detectors. Now, once a month, you should go through and test your smoke detectors, and we've talked about that on other videos. When you do that, you should also take the time to clean out your smoke detectors, and there's a couple different ways to do that. If you don't, over time, dust can actually accumulate inside your detector and make them not work properly. Also, little bugs can get in there, set up their nests, and cause them to not work properly. So it's really important that you take some time to clean them. And there's two easy steps to do that. The first one that I'm going to talk about is vacuuming. If you get a vacuum, something like this, where it's got a little bristle on the end of it, is the best thing to use. That way, when you've got one like this, you really don't have to pull it off the ceiling. And Kimora is going to show you how to do that. Again, if you're using a stool, make sure somebody's standing here to help be supportive and to be safe. Why don't you go ahead and crawl up there. And on that detector, hang on a second there, Kimora. Detectors have vents all around them, like in the front here and along the side. And this is where you want to make sure that you vacuum, is along the side and the vent here, just to get the dust out. Go ahead there and and why don't you go ahead and get that? There you go. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Go ahead and jump down there. And if the smoke detectors are long enough, or you've got a vacuum cleaner that happens to have a long enough neck on it and you don't have to get on a stool, you can do it that way as well. The other way to clean out a detector is to actually pull them down and clean them out with air. Why don't you go ahead and crawl up there again and pull that one down. There you go. Go ahead and jump down, or climb down. Again, with your detectors, you've got the vents here in the front and along the side. Now this is something that should be done outside in the garage or just outside. But since this is a brand new detector, I'm just going to show you how to do it inside the house here. So here you go. So you can just simply take a can of air. You can pick this up at a hardware store or at an office supply place. Why don't you go ahead and show them, Kimora, on how to blow that out. That's great. So this is a good time to also change your batteries if you need to. And again, here on the back, you pop it open, there's your battery, go ahead and change it out. But that only needs to be done about once a year. We usually tell you to do it at daylight savings time. But the cleaning needs to be done once a month. Okay, go ahead and climb back up there. And again, the green light is on. Now, since you've blown it out and pulled it down, this is a good time to go ahead and test it. And every smoke detector has a button on there where you can push it and it'll activate it and let you know. Go ahead. Perfect. And so you know, when we were talking about wired detectors earlier, if you do that and you hold it long enough, it might set off the other detectors. It's okay because it'll stop when this stops. Go ahead and jump down. So like I said, do that at least once a month. Go through, vacuum it out, and go ahead and test it. Thank you.